You've driven on both of them your entire life. Black roads, gray roads. Sometimes you switch from one to the other mid-highway and barely notice. But someone decided which one goes where. An engineer sat down, looked at a piece of land, and made a deliberate choice between two completely different materials. And the reason behind that choice is a lot more interesting than you'd think. Most people assume it's random, or maybe just about cost. Whichever is cheaper wins. It's neither. The decision between asphalt and concrete involves climate, traffic load, location, maintenance cycles, and a fundamental difference in how each material handles stress. Get it wrong, and the road fails in years instead of decades. Here's the key thing most people don't know. Asphalt and concrete fail in completely opposite ways. Asphalt is flexible. When a heavy truck rolls over it, asphalt bends slightly and springs back. Over time, that constant flexing causes it to crack and develop ruts, but slowly and in ways that are relatively cheap to patch. Concrete is rigid. It doesn't bend at all. Instead, it handles load through sheer compressive strength. But when concrete fails, it shatters, chunks, slabs, expensive to fix and slow to repair. So the question engineers ask isn't which is better, it's which failure mode can we live with here? Traffic volume is the first factor. Highways carrying thousands of heavy trucks per day need concrete. The constant pounding would destroy asphalt too quickly. Concrete lasts 30 to 40 years under that load. Asphalt might last 10. Climate is the second factor. Asphalt softens in extreme heat. It can actually deform under heavy loads on a scorching day. In cold climates, water seeps into asphalt cracks, freezes, expands, and destroys the surface fast. Concrete handles temperature extremes better, but it expands and contracts with heat, which is why you see those deliberate gaps cut into concrete roads every few meters. Without them, the slabs would buckle and crack on their own. Location is the third factor. City streets almost always use asphalt, not because it's better, but because it's faster and cheaper to dig up and repair when utilities underneath need work. Concrete takes days to cure. Asphalt is drivable in hours. So next time you feel that seam where the road changes from black to gray, someone made a calculated decision right there. Weight, weather, budget, repair cycles, all of it weighed against each other before a single truck of material arrived. Two materials, completely different logic, and the road you drive on every day is the result. If this changed how you see the road under your tires, hit like, share it, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.